In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unmute a status on WhatsApp. This is going to be a straightforward process, so be sure to watch the video until the end. And if you would like more helpful tutorials in the near future, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get to it. Click on WhatsApp. And now you're going to click on the three dots at the top right. If you have any muted statuses, make sure you click on Muted Status. Here I have one. I will click on it. And I will click on the three buttons at the top right again and click on Unmute. It will ask if you would like to unmute it. Click Unmute. And there it is. It is now unmuted. Now it is here on your updates. And you're good. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.